Hello guys! It is me, once again, and I know I come back every few months. It's because I'm a little busy with shit, and also it's because I'm actually feeling a little discouraged, but I hope this time I won't be, so we're gonna start off with Granny 2. And what I'm gonna do is try to do an escape ending. And I'm gonna see if I can do an escape ending in Granny without in practice mode in the fastest time possible. Down, dun dun da down, wow, bum bum ba down. So if you don't know how I'm gonna get this, the one that I did that was the easiest. It was a motherfucking. They are gone. Okay. Bonk, bonk. Bonk. Okay. Okay. So I got this. Since I got this now, I can just go check. No, nothing. God, I'm so used to like this Granny remake. Oh my god, I'm fucking lucky. Okay. Drop. Security key. Security key. Woo woo. Secure. Woo woo. Woo woo. Wait. Woo woo woo. No. I need a fucking door handle, motherfucker. God damn it! I know I have to go in here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, I see it's right here. Let me just check in here. Gold key. That's fucking trash. So I just need a couple more stuff. So if I'm right, then I need one more picture piece, a glass fuse, a gasoline can, a duct tape, and at least a shotgun or taser or stun gun, and at least some. I think that's it. Oh yeah, the key too. That key. Let's go. Mission complete. It was door lock. Nah, we won't be needing a door lock. Glass fuse. And at least a shotgun, the shotgun or the fucking, that's the thing about this game. You need a shotgun or at least a taser to do this.
I just wanna go home. I don't wanna be at Granny's house. She be leaving me out. Take me home right now. I don't wanna stay here.
I'm sorry, I had to fucking do it. I had to do it, motherfucker. Is that the baby breathing? Motherfucker. Bonk. Okay, so I can just meow, meow. Duct tape. Fuck yeah, duct tape. Duct tape. Okay. Whoa. Fuck. Okay. Come on, fucking hell. God damn you. All we need is just a bonk. Done. Save key. Hopefully that has something good. Hopefully. Cut and pliers. You know what, I'm gonna use it on that one painting then. If that does anything to help me. Yeah, I sometimes do like the strategies for some speedrunners do, like the crouching on the railing of the stairs and then going from there. I actually like that strategy. That's actually a quick one to do. Oh my god. I have just hit fucking gold. And I think that's all I need. That's really what I need, but now I need to find the fucking goddamn key. Or at least get it. Because I have to do a sin, taking out a baby. And why? It's because if you do, it's just gonna come. Let me just do that first. Do the glass fuse. Drop it. Rip it. Oh my god, I'm fucking gold. I'm fucking gold! You don't know how fucking good this is, right? You don't know how good shit is right now, right? And I'm gonna do the pro granny stuff. Okay. Bonk. Crouch. Get shotgun. Now. Oh yeah. Can't do that just yet. I love how everything's fucking convenient. I just love that. Shotgun. And I'm gonna fucking shot his ass. And still fuck you, bitch ass. And he didn't even have what I fucking wanted. Fuck you. Oh my god, stop your whining. I didn't kill your child. That was William Afton. If you know, you know. Oh my god, dude, she never stopped fucking whining! Wait, hopefully. Fucking hell! Fucking hell, F! Never checking. Please see something. Good. Please. Please. Let's go! Up! So far, it's been 10 fucking minutes, and I already got the... Damn, I'm good. Damn, I'm good. So I got all 4 items. Actually, now I should get this shotgun. Fuck. Now let's go. God damn it. I need to get this shit actually done. I've seen the fastest speed run for the mobile version of Grand Tape. It. I don't know how you can do that. I don't know how the fuck that works, and also the stupid thing is how did you get up there? And second, if the... Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Slow. Jesus Christ. Now! Fuck you! So we did it in 13, and I guess that's a little, I don't know if that's actually good. We did it in 13 minutes and something seconds. The fastest Granny 2 Okay. Oh my god! With the fastest 8 minutes.
Diagnosed with a food food allergy?
Huh?
Talk to an allergist about treatment options.
Motherfucker, what? Okay, let me actually show you what this looks like. Let me pause this. Face cam. Let me show you what it looks like. Let's watch the whole video and see what the fuck he does. What the fuck? Okay. So does this what I was doing? No way. No way! No way I get fucking beat by a fucking 12-year-old. Not 12-year-old, 5-year-old. On fucking Granny in a year ago. What? He's racing second, so technically. Because no fucking way you look. That's what I was doing. Motherfucker's doing the exact same thing. I actually have to check this out though. If I did take a little bit. This motherfucker's running around the house like he has no care in the world. You know what? I think I'm not even good at Granny, really. Because this fucking proves to me that I literally beat it in 13... Not 13 minutes, but I guess it took me like a couple minutes of me talking. So let me pause it and actually go through it. Actually, let me stop the recording and go through with it, and then in another short I'll tell you.